Mangrove Conservation and Coastal Wellbeing, a Socio-Ecological Perspective, presented by Jolito Is Uya Junior. Introduction. Mangrove ecosystems are among the most valuable coastal habitats, providing critical ecological, economic, and social benefits to communities worldwide. These forests serve as natural coastal barriers, reducing the impact of storm surges, flooding, and erosion, while playing a crucial role in carbon sequestration and climate regulation. United Nations Environment Program, or UNEP, in 2022. Beyond their environmental and economic contributions, mangroves influence human well-being, fostering psychological resilience, life satisfaction, and cultural identity, or DINEA 2018. This study seeks to examine the relationship between mangroves ecosystem services and the subjective and psychological well-being of coastal communities in Rizal, Zamboanga del Norte. By integrating ecological, economic, and psychological perspectives, this research provides insights into how mangrove conservation efforts influence social resilience and life satisfaction, contributing to both sustainability and community development. Theoretical framework. This study is guided by two key theoretical foundations. Number one is Ecosystem Services Framework, or Millennium Ecosystem Assessment 2005. Number two is Subjective Well-Being, or SWB, Theory of Linear in 2018. The SWB theory is emphasized that an individual's well-being is shaped is external factors. Example is environmental condition and internal psychological states. Conceptual framework. The conceptual framework of this study illustrates that interconnection between mangroves ecosystem, the services, and community well-being. It posits that mangrove forests provide direct and indirect benefits, which enhance economic opportunities, environmental security, and psychological resilience. The study hypothesizes that conserved mangrove ecosystem contribute to higher life satisfaction and mental well-being. Degraded mangrove forests result in economic instability, increased vulnerability to natural disasters, and psychological distress. Objectives to, objectives to identify the direct and indirect benefits that mangrove forests provide to coastal communities. To assess the psychological well-being of the community members living near mangrove forests. To explore community perceptions regarding the importance of mangrove ecosystems in their daily lives. Methodology, qualitative data collected through interview. Changes in the environment and resources availability. Demographic and personal information. Key points. Name is Janbert Busarang, gender male, level of education, college dropout, monthly income below 10K. Perception of mangrove ecosystem benefits. Key points is the respondent perceives the primary direct benefits of the mangrove ecosystem as protection from storm and mentioned the secondary benefits like crabs and fishes. Harvesting mangrove trees is forbidden. Subjective well-being. Key points is the respondent feels contented with their lives and their work. They are happy of what they get. Psychological well-being. Despite of some challenges, the respondent tells generally positive psychological well-being characterized sense of purpose, problem solving, strong social connection, and family orientation. Discussion analysis. Them. Mangrove ecosystem benefits direct. Them. Mangrove ecosystem benefits indirect. Mangrove specifies and products. Them for subjectives well-being life satisfaction. Interpretation. Them 5 subjective well-being mangroves dependence. Them 6 psychological well-being. Major findings. Them patterns findings. The theme is mangrove ecosystem benefits. Pattern direct and indirect benefits mangrove types products from mangrove finding is primary benefits wood harvesting forbidden. Indirect benefits storm protection mangrove types not distinguished products fish. Subjective well-being life satisfaction dependence coastal living satisfaction content with life and income due to lack of alternatives livelihood not solely dependent on mangroves happily living in coastal area. Psychological well-being psychological indicators hopeful somewhat relaxed can make own decisions. Conclusions. This study explore how mangrove forests affect well-being in coastal community. Findings show the mangroves significantly improve mental and emotional health by providing a sense of peace and emotional relief. Mangroves also help people feel safe by protecting against natural disaster like storm. In addition, mangroves support social and cultural activities such as fishing and community gatherings, which further boost overall well-being. This study stressed the need for sustainable mangroves management and restoration to protect both the environment and coastal communities. Recommendation: promote sustainable mangroves conservation and restoration, incorporate psychological well-being in environment policy, enhance community engagement and awareness, strengthening disaster preparedness and climate change, strengthen livelihood programs. Thank you. Questions, comments, FB account Julito Uya Junior, email account is uyajulito@gmail.com.